Hi everyone, this is Rohan Asad and I'm going to demonstrate the causes of overpopulation. The first question that comes in mind is what is overpopulation? As the definition says, the condition of having a population so dense as to cause environmental deterioration and impaired quality of life, or a population crash. In simple words, it means more population than we can accommodate. In 1950, our country was on the 14th rank with a population of 33 million. As of current year, it's gone up to a whopping 5th rank with the population of 208 million. According to the population survey, in 1981, we had a population of 84.9 million. In 1998, it was 131.5 million, and as of 2017, it was 208 million. That is a whopping amount of increase in almost 4 decades. Let's come to what causes overpopulation. The factors are high birth rate, economy, social culture, old traditions, religious support, political constraints, medical constraint, and higher migration. And I'm going to explain each of these points one by one in detail. The first factor is higher birth rate. Pakistan is an underdeveloped country, but Pakistan's birth rate is higher than the rest of the world's developed nations. Its birth rate is about 2.7% and stands on the rank of 7th in the world. There are many reasons for the higher rate of birth. For example, higher fertility, which relates to more women being fertile, and that is also increasing by the increase in the technology. Declining mortality, which means that Pakistan has a less death rate. And poverty, as you know, that is a major problem in our country. Our country is so diverse in such a way that the rich are more rich and the poor is getting poorer. The next factor is economy. In many countries, including Pakistan, mostly male children are considered as a source of income and helping hands in old age. Therefore, male children are more desired, and which leads to higher population growth. This is a very major illiterate trait of our country. Even in this day and age, our country superiorizes having a boy child to a girl. The next factor is social culture. There are many social cultures in Pakistan that lead to overpopulation. Some of them are illiteracy of masses. As you know, Pakistan has a high rate of illiteracy of 35%, which leads to people not realizing how damaging overpopulation is. Preference to male children. As I said before, our society still prefers on having a boy child to a girl. And male inheritance. The next factor is old traditions. We live in a society that still holds on to some old traditions, which also contribute towards overpopulation. For example, early marriages, customs of having more than one wife, propaganda against family planning, and importance of large families. The next factor, religious support. Being an Islamic state, we have some religious traditions which cause overpopulation. For example, support for having 4 wives. As our religion has allowed this trait, our men feel entitled on having more wives, which automatically leads to having more kids. Support of early marriages, it's simple. Hostility against family planning. This is a major problem, as a lot of our population lives in rural areas and have no idea about what family planning is. And masses believe that whatever is written in fate cannot be changed by human effort. As Muslims, we believe in fate and that whatever happens, happens for good. And making this an excuse, we are not doing great to our country. God has also given us brains to think. The next factor is political constraint. As Pakistan is an underdeveloped country, it has some political constraint. Last census was in 1998, and since then, we have no idea what the current population is, and this shows that how neglectful our government is toward the growth of our population, and which needs to change. Following examples are avoid participating, political instability, policy change, foreign aid, and unstable budget. The next factor which causes overpopulation is medical constraints. As I glimpsed this part before, growing technology is increasing fertility rate by a great margin. As it says here, high fertility rate, low death rate. In a country with high birth rate and low death rate, rapid population growth can occur. Actually, in fact, it's occurring right now. In order to overcome this problem, effective family planning must be done. And the last factor for overpopulation is higher migration. Migration makes an important contribution in the growth of population. There are many Afghan refugees in Pakistan, which increases the overpopulation in such a small countries by a great margin. Some of the factors are health facilities, job opportunities, and better security of life.